Good morning students, welcome back to the English channel Prime. Students, in the last class we have completed the exercise, the comprehension of this lesson 5, that is the great spirit of the salary. We have also completed the vocabularies, that is the opposites and other things. Now in this session, let's start with the grammar, that is the adverb. Students, we all know verb meaning the action word of the sentence. Similarly, adverb, as the name suggests, add verb which adds to the verb. That means a word which is used to modify or describe a verb or an adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. For example, if I'll say I will eat. So here which one is the verb? Yes, eat is the verb. But if I'll say I will eat later, or I'll eat slowly, then later or slowly modifies or adds to the verb. So that is called, later is called the adverb. Similarly, let's see another sentence. The place was strangely quiet. So here the adverb is strangely because it modifies the adjective quiet. He is almost always busy. In this sentence, the adverb is almost, which modifies another adverb, that is always. Again, let me give you few more example. Suppose I'll say the baby cried. So here cried is the verb. But if I'll say the baby cried loudly, then loudly is the adverb. She wrote a good essay. But if I'll say she wrote a very good essay, then very modifies the adjective good. Done? Or let me tell another example. He performed rather exceptionally today. So here rather it modifies again another adverb, that is exceptionally. So adverb meaning which tells us how, when, where or how often or how much is done. For example, whether, suppose I'll say Sarah drove slowly. So how she drove? She drove slowly. She examined the box carefully. So how it is done? It is done carefully. So carefully, slowly tells about how the work is done. So that is called the adverb. Adverb can be of varieties of kinds or variety of types, like adverb of manners, like how it is done, adverbs of place, like where it is done, here, bring it here, I used to live there. So here, there, etc. are the adverb of place. Adverb of time, like when it is done now, or post the parcel today, yesterday, etc. are called the adverb of place. Similarly, if it says about how much or how often something is done, then that is also an adverb, that is adverb of frequency. Like you always complain. So here, which one is says the frequency? Always. So always is the adverb. Check your work often. So often says about how many times it is done. So it is again an adverb of frequency. So adverb tells about how or when it is done. But children, adverbs frequently ends in ly. Okay, most of the time it ends in ly. But many words or phrases that does not end with ly is also a verb. That means it doesn't give a guarantee that a word which ends with ly is always an adverb. For example, if I'll say lonely, friendly, or she looks very lovely. So lovely, lonely or friendly are not the adverbs. These are the adjectives. Like for example, if I'll write a sentence, that lovely woman lives in a friendly neighborhood. So lovely and friendly both are the adjectives. Then you can tell me if there are many types of adverbs, like adverbs of manner, quickly, tiredly, how it is done, or adverbs of place, like outside, there, here, adverbs of frequency, every evening, in the morning, etc., or time, before dinner, Tuesday, etc., or the purpose, like for this or for that. Then all these adverbs, if there will be a more than one adverb present in one sentence, then how to write that? What should be the sequence? We can have the sequence if there is more than one adverb after the verb. The correct order should be manner, then place, then frequency, then time, then purpose. For example, Beth swims enthusiastically in the pool every morning before lunch to keep in shape. So first comes adverb of manner, then adverb of place, then adverb of frequency, then adverb of time, then adverb of purpose. So children, while doing the question or doing the sentence, very careful about placing that adverb. Suppose we have to say she runs quickly. So quickly will come after the verb. But if it is like she runs quickly before dinner, then we have to first place quickly, then before dinner, because adverb of manner should come first and adverb of time should come after manners. Done. You cannot say that adverbs of frequency will come after the manners, like she runs quickly every evening. So frequency is every morning or every evening, but the manner is quickly. So quickly will come first. Done, children? So shall we do the question answers? Yes, let's do the question. Grammar, first main. Now identify the adverbs in the following sentences. So the first question is given. The child listened patiently to his mother. So which one is the adverb? Yes, it is patiently because it is added with ly. Second, the horse rode as quickly as possible. Again, quickly is the adverb. Third, students answered correctly. So which one is the adverb? Yes, correctly. Fourth one, I read silently. So how I read? Yes, silently. So silently is the adverb. The farmer told the hiker plainly. So which one is the adverb? Yes, plainly. Joe cried bitterly when he broke his new glasses. So bitterly is the adverb. Now list differently actions. Second main, list different actions that you do between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. at school every day and say how you do them. That means we have to write one adverb expressing how we spend our days in the school. So for example, first one is given. First one, I listen carefully. Second one, we can make I sit calmly, silently. Okay. Third one, I read. Yes, silently, quietly. Fourth one, I speak. Yes, softly, loudly, whatever you are doing, you can write, you can add any adverb. Now, third main, correct the following sentences. There are a few adverbs which are used to express the frequency of the actions done. We have to correct the following sentences. I ate quick. So, quick, is it a adverb? No, we have to add ly. So, I ate quickly. Unfortunate, everyone was injured in the accident. So, it would become unfortunately. He spoke to her gentle. Gentle will become gently to make it as an adverb. They all spoke loud. So, we have to write they all spoke loudly. I rained heavy. So, it should become an adverb. Heavy will become heavily. It rained heavily. Sixth one, he shut the door quite. So, he shut the door quietly. Done, children? Do you understand? Next one is an activity. We have to write the actions in the way of adverbs. Like pray in the evening. So, we can write I often pray in the evening. I read books in English, suppose regularly. Then you have to write always or regularly. Done, children? Hope you understand everything. Thank you, children.